Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps Saved Lists feature. This is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to organize and save your favorite locations, whether you're planning a trip, keeping track of restaurants you want to visit, or creating a collection of places for any purpose. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First, open your browser and head over to google.com/maps. Once the page loads, you'll notice the interface with the map taking up most of your screen. Now direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find several navigation options. Click on Saved. This section is where all your saved places and lists are stored, making it easy to access them whenever you need. After clicking Saved, you'll see an option to create a new list. Go ahead and click New List. This will open up a fresh list where you can start organizing your locations. You'll notice that by default, your list is called Untitled List. To personalize it, simply click on Untitled List and type in a new name that reflects what you'll be saving. For example, you might call it Vacation Spots or Best Coffee Shops. Now, right beside the list name, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Sharing Options. This is where you get to control the privacy of your list. You can choose to keep it private, which means only you can see it, or you can make it shared, allowing others to view or even contribute to your list. Choose whichever option suits your needs best. With your list now named and privacy settings configured, you're ready to start adding locations. You'll see a search bar appear within your list window. Simply type in the location or address you want to add to your list. The search function works just like the main Google Maps search, so you can look up specific addresses, business names, or general locations. Once you find the place you want, you can add it directly to your list. Now you can close the list window, but there's another convenient way to add places to your list that you should know about. Let's say you're browsing around on Google Maps and you come across a location you'd like to save. Simply search for any location using the main search bar on Google Maps. When the location appears, look to the left side of your screen and click Saved. This will bring up all your lists. Now simply choose the list we created earlier, and the location will be added to it instantly. This method is perfect for when you're exploring the map and want to quickly save interesting places without having to go through your Saved Lists menu first. And that's it. You now know how to create, customize, and populate your Google Maps saved lists, making it easy to keep all your important locations organized and accessible. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.